Good evening, everyone, Mavi Global Community. How are you guys doing? Vitaly Dubin is here, and today I'm not in my usual setting, as you can see. I'm actually on a pretty big yacht right now, and I thought this yacht is going to be parking much sooner, but it turned out that it wasn't. So we're gonna do it from right here from the yacht. So I want to hear you guys. I want to hear your excitement, enthusiasm. We had so much to discuss in the last week. So many things have been going on in the markets. I have a lot of good news to share with you. A lot of progress has been made. So, and of course, we'll discuss the latest news and updates when it comes to the Mavi Global community. So first of all, let's cheer on. If you want to be more on yachts, travel more, have more fun experience while you are part of our community, put it in the chat if you really want that. And if you're excited about this year 2025, what it has in store to bring us, because we are still in the beginning of 2025, the third month is on, and so many things are happening right now that is mind blowing. So welcome everyone to the call. The first session, what we are doing every single week is on Wednesdays is we discover what's going on in the market, so you're more educated, you're more up to date about the state of the cryptocurrency, and that helps you to avoid making some bad decisions or mistakes, and in general to have more understanding about the space that you are in, that you are operating. So that's what we are doing and educating the Mavi Global community. Then we are discussing some of the latest news and updates, and today I have a special guest on this call, none the other than Mr. Domen Vidergar, who is going to assist and answer all of the questions to the Q&A at the end of this call. So once again, I apologize for this setting. Usually we're doing it from a laptop or from a computer, but today I am doing it from the yacht, guys. Okay, it doesn't happen often. I should be honest with you. It's not happening often that I do it from the yacht. I would do it every week, but this is the way that it's going on this week. So forgive me that. I'm gonna do my best to give you the latest news and updates. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, a lot has happened since our last call. The very first thing I'll say is that on Friday there was in the White House, in the government, the first ever crypto summit organized by Donald Trump, the president, and there was a lot of billionaires there. There was Michael Saylor, who is, of course, has more than $40 billion in Bitcoin. There was the CEO of Coinbase. There was the CEO of Link, and many other cool people. And in this summit, it was announced about the strategic Bitcoin reserve that is already done, it's already signed, it is confirmed, something that we have been talking about for several months. Now it's actually happened. So the implication of this, that first of all, the US government will never sell their Bitcoin that they already have. They have about 200,000 Bitcoin. So the sales pressure is removed. But moreover, they will search for ways to acquire additional Bitcoin, okay? And recently, like yesterday, there was the Bitcoin Institute Policy Summit, where right now there is a bill being proposed for the US government to acquire 1 million Bitcoin and hold it for 20 years, okay? 1 million Bitcoin and hold it for 20 years. So just imagine when the US government will start to actively buying Bitcoin, and of course it affects the entire space. So this is very exciting news, and the market is not catching up to that yet, because the government has not started to buy Bitcoin yet, but they are very actively looking for ways to do it. And 21 other countries are looking also to create their own strategic reserve. Okay, so this is the first thing that is very exciting that just recently happened in the previous week since our last call, and make it really official. The second thing that happened is now the US banks can officially provide services like crypto custody, Bitcoin custody, and to become a node on the Ethereum network. Okay, so what it means is that the big banks can now actually earn the staking rewards and become a validator, become a node on the Ethereum network. So this is another big step forward for the crypto industry. Now, I'm going to share my screen and share with you some very exciting information. Just let me know in the chat if you're able to see the screen all right. So this is over here. Let me do like this. So we're seeing that China is now allowing the ownership of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. This is just came in a couple of hours ago. This news. We see that Saudi Arabia declaring that it's absolutely fine to invest in Bitcoin. Again, this is very, very big news. We see the founder of New Market that issuing bonds, buying $200 billion of Bitcoin, right? We're seeing 21 countries are now considering Bitcoin strategic reserve, and Fidelity, which is a huge bank, files to add staking for Ethereum ETF, right? Which means they will earn some staking rewards on the Ethereum network. We're seeing the third largest stock market in Europe, Deutsche Börse, to launch a Bitcoin custody, and they are doing 1.3 trillion euros in trade volume. And we see a lot of ETFs for altcoins filed. For example, XRP has 17 ETFs that are pending, which of course will allow more money to flow into altcoins such as XRP and Solana and other altcoins. Okay, and we have the Wall Street giant Cantor Fitzgerald essentially now create a new Bitcoin financing decision, and will have $2 billion in initial funding. So this is a lot of very, very exciting news that is happening in the market. We see the Spain's second biggest bank, BBVA, to launch Bitcoin and crypto trading. So how you cannot be excited about what is going on? Now, the thing is, the market, if you take a look at the market, it's been on a downtrend. Okay, the market has been on a downtrend and continues to be on a downtrend at the immediate moment. So let me share with you why we are in this bull market and why the prices have been falling down on Bitcoin and even more on altcoins. Where is this altcoin season that we have been talking about? Why the altcoins are so down right now? And it's understand it, okay? So the reason why the Bitcoin price fell to $7,000. Sorry, I'm hearing somebody in Spanish right now. The reason why is because of the stock market. The stock market is actually falling a lot, falling heavy. And the reason why the stock market is falling, like all the big stocks like Amazon, Nvidia, Tesla, and other stocks, they're all falling, is because of the economic uncertainty that has to do with the tariffs. Okay, it's basically increasing the tax on the US, increase the tax on Canada, on Mexico, on China, and European Union, that creates a lot of uncertainty in the markets that causes people to sell their stocks. And when people sell their stocks, they also sell their crypto, okay? Because crypto is considered to be more risky and more volatile than stocks. So the stock market is falling, and I believe the reason for that is to cause the positive things, which is the interest rates to go lower. And why it's important for the interest rates to go lower? When the interest rates go lower, there is more money that will come into the market. And when more money comes into the market, you know what happens next? The prices go up and up. So US government has a lot of debt. And this year, they need to refinance about $9 trillion worth of debt. So they must reduce the interest rates. And how they reduce the interest rates? Well, causing the stock market to crash. So this is some of the reasons why this is happening. And it affects Bitcoin, it affects crypto in the immediate short term. So we are trading right now below the 200 days moving average, and this is not so bullish. It's actually bearish in the immediate short term. Unfortunately, the bad news is that we can be in those areas for about several weeks up to several months before we go to the new leg to the upside, creating new all-time high. Now, the good news is that we do have everything in order for the market to go absolutely to the next level, to the upside. And this altcoin season, which has not happened yet, as you can see, the Bitcoin dominance is still very, very high. When the Bitcoin dominance will fall, this is when we are going to see the altcoins go up. It has not happened yet, but it's only a matter of time. So right now, we are in a correction. It's about 28% correction right now. And I want to show you, we are likely at the local bottom right now. I hope you can see my screen. We are likely at the local bottom right now. And this is painful. We can see, can we see Bitcoin even lower? Yes, we can. Possibly see Bitcoin at around 72, even $70,000. But if Bitcoin will go to 72 and $70,000, we still be in a bull market. It's just going to be a little short-term painful period, and then we go up. That Bitcoin above $72,000 does not mean we are in a bear market. It means we are simply in a correction, and this is the previous all-time high for Bitcoin. Okay, so that's something that I want to share with you. As it's been pretty rough 6 weeks, I would say, in the markets. If we look at the total market, it has lost from 3.6 trillion to 2.6 trillion. It lost more than $1 trillion in the past several weeks. So it was not easy, and it is not easy to watch. But once you understand the big game, okay, the interest rates are going to come down. The more money is going to flow and stimulate the economy. And this is all like big macroeconomic stuff. And we are still on track to another leg up in this bull market, which will take us to new all-time highs. Okay, so that's my take on it, on the state of what's going on in the crypto market. Okay, the time right now is not to panic. The time right now is, if you can, to accumulate, or of course, if you are in FinUp and the trading has been done for you and you are currently sitting on losses, you are not alone. Okay, you are not alone, because literally majority of traders, like 99.9% of the traders out there, they lost a lot of money. Okay, they got liquidated. We've seen billions and billions and billions of dollars got liquidated. We've seen on the spot, people lost 80 to 90% of their capital. So it's all across the world. Okay, not just in crypto. Also, people start losing money in stocks, but in crypto, it's particularly bad in the past 6 weeks. But there is the light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, there is good news, and the good news is that we have never ever seen such a powerful, committed, united government in the USA to be pro cryptocurrency. Okay, never we seen it before. So it is only amount of time. It's only the time. The market is going to come back, and we're going to see the altcoin season play out. We're going to see the altcoins come back. It's only a matter of time. So we do have the chance for the next couple of weeks, up to couple of months. I don't see more than 2 months to have a little bit of this pain in the altcoin market, but I do not see it going way much lower. Okay, I do see we develop a local top right now. The stocks are going to go up, and the crypto is going to go up, and it's just this volatile period in the market. So hope you understand a little bit better about it. Now, when it comes to Mavi Global, yesterday was on the call, Mateus explained about FlipMe, and Domen was there and sharing how FlipMe is about to get launched very, very soon. They said in a matter of days it's going to appear in the App Store. They shared a lot of news and updates about the providers, and FlipMe becoming like the Amazon for the financial services, which got me very excited. The vision is very big, and I'm sure Domen can share more information about it as he's on the call. FlipMe is getting ready to get launched. Put it in the chat, some excitement, if you guys are excited for FlipMe to come out very, very shortly in a matter of days and start being publicly used. So we've been waiting for quite a long time, right? We've been waiting and patient, and FlipMe will come out innovative, connecting the bank accounts, connecting the crypto providers all inside one application. So we are days away from it to happen. So put it in the chat, the excitement for FlipMe, because we are going to break all the records, and already 20,000 cards, I believe, already ordered, and very soon it's going to be like 50,000 and 100,000 FlipMe cards. Okay, so on that regards, every Tuesday you have an update call on FlipMe. Yesterday was a tremendous call, and we are receiving very good information about it. Now, on the ULTRON side, the biggest and exciting launch is happening this month, which is the Akasha Layer 0 blockchain technology that will utilize different blockchains, including the ULTRON blockchain. And we've seen the excitement. If you guys have following the chart, we've seen how the coin already rose to above $2 for the Akasha Layer 0 blockchain coin. It rose above $2, and I believe it's just the beginning, as is being geared towards the launch. So the team is working hard behind the scenes to have this launch happen and to launch this technology. So put it in the chat if you are excited to have seen the price of the coin actually shooting up. Let me share the screen if you don't know which coin I'm referring to. It's this coin. It's called AK1111. It has reached already $2, right? $2 per coin. So that is coming, and very soon Mavi Global community is gonna be educated about this coin, about the launch, about the how you can earn money, and it's also going to be affected on the price of ULX. The super nodes are coming, and more on that. You're gonna be learning all of this information. So I will not tell you right now exactly how it works because it's not the forum for that. But very soon you will get to know everything, and it is the next exciting chapter in the Mavi Global community. Okay. Now I do have Mr. Domen Videgar with me on the call, and he graciously accepted the invitation to come and help answer any questions that people may have, the Q&A session. So, Mr. Domen, are you there?
Vitaly, of course, I am here. Thank you very much for inviting me. Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays, I'm available for all the calls. Our Mavi Global, I can say, ecosystem is big. We have a lot of partners. We have a lot of calls, official calls and private calls. That's why we are always happy in order to come. First of all, congratulations, Vitaly, for the amazing call. Even if you are on the yacht, you can inform all our community with the latest news and updates. Ladies and gentlemen, let's send some hearts. Let's send some love. Let's send some appreciation for one and only Vitaly Dubinin. Before we will go to all the topics, to all the questions that you are having it, Vitaly, you are preparing your own masterclass. Let's take this opportunity. Let's promote it. Vitaly, in the past years, he invested several hundreds of thousands of dollars into the personal development. So Vitaly, if you are not doing it, I will do it for you. The masterclass is on 22nd.
Yeah, 22nd of March. I'm planning
a March. I already
workshop.
Yes, it's a workshop. I already bought the ticket, so I'm coming. So if you are in Dubai, of course, Vitaly, please put your website application into this chat. Why not? We are here to support you. Not just support you. You are the person with one of, by far, the most knowledge when we are speaking about crypto and finance. You are already a multimillionaire, so I can't wait to join you also on this journey. And yes, Vitaly, what I can say?
I will just say a couple of words. Thank you so much, Domen, for this. And yes, I'm doing a full day seminar about financial freedom mastery, about psychology of investing, about wise money management, and about how you can build your wealth in a way that is sustainable with a strategy into the future. Domen is coming to the seminar. It's going to be in a beautiful Dubai, in a beautiful hotel, and it's going to be fun, engaging, interactive. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. I cannot wait for this. It's going to happen on 22nd of March on Saturday, so you're more than welcome. If you're in Dubai or if you're outside, you can come to Dubai and take advantage of this opportunity. I'll share in how right now inside of the chat you can come to this event. Lunch is included there. We're going to be fully all day working on your future, working on your financial future, and making sure that you have the plan to become financially free. So thank you so much, Domen, for allowing me the opportunity to share this. And I'm looking forward and excited for everyone to come to the Financial Freedom Blueprint Seminar and learn those things. Okay, it is completely generic there. Education that will help you in anything that you are doing, any decisions that you are making in your life now and into the future as well. So back to you, Mr. Domen.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, once again, Vitaly, thank you very much for inviting me. When we chat during this day, I say, okay, I'm coming in order to answer all the questions, all your little, I can say, goals that you have. If you have any kind of question related to Mavi Global or to one of our partners, please write into the chat. I will try to, in the next 15 to 20 minutes, answer as much as questions as you have in order to clarify everything and in order to prepare the foundations for you, for your team, and for the, I can say, expansion of your network. I see on this call so many familiar faces. I just literally came from the Budapest this weekend. We were in the event with more than 1,000 participants in Mom Sport Arena. The launch of the Trevolution happened. The first version of application is out. The guys, they did a phenomenal job. And now literally week by week, they will come with updates, with upgrades for by far the most sophisticated AI travel app on the planet. I need to say hello to a few of my, I can say, Mavi members, a few of my friends. Hello, hi Nalka Kramar. Hi, nice to see you. You are, I believe, on most of the calls. John, hello. We have any kind of question from Vivi? There is the question. Let's start with the Q&A session. If you allow me, Vitali, if you would like to add anything on top of this, or I can go straight to the questions.
Yeah, I'm just want to make sure because I sent it to the host and panelists, but I think right now I sent it to everyone. Just want to make sure that people that want to come, they have the chance to register. And let me know if it's seen in the chat, because I'm hearing on my phone, and I'm not sure that it is being posted.
I see the chat. I see the fires. I see your appreciation. People love you. That's why we need to keep up the good work and everything. So let's go straight to the questions. Vitaly, yes. If I may, I know that we have translators behind. Gabi, Alexandra, Jenny, Standa, I will, and Andrei, hi, Pierre, Olivia, por supuesto. I will speak slow. I will go question by question in order to answer to all of your questions as much as we can in the next 20 minutes. Okay, the first question is, can I withdraw the NFTs from the back office to the MetaMask? I can easily say the technology is set. That everything is ready. Right now, the technical team had a lot of updates, upgrades, I can say a lot of technical things, and that's why we didn't came with this out yet, but it will happen soon. I promise you, all the NFTs, you will have an option to withdraw to the MetaMask, and the team wants to do it on the safe way. What does it mean? It's gonna be a short course with a few questions. And then once you withdraw it, the responsibility comes on your hand. Once again, ULTRON team built and I can say tested everything. Once it will come to the official launch, of course, we will announce it. Let's go. Hello, Joseph. ULX Cobra, greetings. Jenny, hi. Pablo, saludos. Espana, Vitali, saludo especially para Super Olivia. Por supuesto, I agree on this. Maria, hello everyone. For now, no questions. John, hi. Please explain why I keep hearing that the Bigwhale launchpad will prevent rug boosts and scams. Very good question, Taz. So, the moment that on the Bigwhale platform, you will provide the initial liquidity, this initial liquidity cannot be taken out. So the smart contract, the platform works in a way that once you provide the initial liquidity, you cannot put it out. But what can happen, it can only be added on top. Once again, that's why the launchpad will prevent the rug pulls and that called the honeypots. If I heard it several times how it works, once again, the ULTRON team did a phenomenal job. I have the video from Mr. Shukra Chadibeko. I have it also on my computer. That's why if you want, I can share it with each and every one. When we are speaking about the Bigwhale launchpad, it's already on a testnet. That means that we are having the testnet and we are having the mainnet. On the testnet, it behaves completely the same like the mainnet. That's why the team is testing. They are deploying different kind of tokens. They are testing it. On the screen right now, you see how Mr. Shukra Chadibeko is literally explaining how easy it's gonna be to deploy that kind of tokens on the platform. And I will just drive you over the video. You will just literally connect with your MetaMask. You will create the token. You will provide the initial liquidity. You will set up the name of the token. So everything is gonna be done on a very simple way. Once the guys in the next, I can say 10 to 14 days will test it, when everything will work without the bugs, of course, we will have the official launch of the Bigwhale platform. And I believe that also the era of the safely launched meme coins on top of ULTRON will officially start. This opened the doors also for other projects and for other crypto opportunities. I hope I was clear. And I can say this is by far the most easiest explanation that I can give it to you. Now let's go. Then the next question is Victor Martinez is asking, I purchased some Akasha on ULTRON Swap. I don't see the price. You don't need to worry. The ticker, it's new. Once the team will update it and upgrade it, you will also see the price. You don't need to worry. Everything works fine. Just the new currencies that they are added on the chain, they need to be upgraded and synchronized. Don't worry, just buy it. Once again, not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, but when we are speaking about AK111 and Akasha network, yes, like Vitaly said, it's going live by the end of the month. On 23rd of March, the big bang will happen. You can also visit the website and you can check all the data. When we are speaking about the layer 0, layer 1, imagine that it's like a table. Layer 0, imagine they are like the floors that they are interconnecting all the blockchains together. The presentation for Akasha is ready. I cannot announce more. Once I have the green light, we will present the super nodes. Now, Vitaly, during his speech, he spoke about the nodes in US. So that means that the banks and the governments can be involved in buying the nodes and supporting different kind of blockchains. Super nodes are generated, they are developed, and they are gonna be launched with ULTRON Foundation by the end of this month. We are speaking about the software that it will pay out 10 years passive income. Vitaly, if you are still here with me, I'm sure you've seen the presentation. Vitaly, if you are with me, open the camera and we will touch to this topic, or otherwise I will go back to the questions. So ULTRON Foundation, if you remember 1.5 years ago, 2 years ago, they built the product named the Staking Hub. Once you buy the Staking Hub, the coins came from the treasury, and this was literally the distribution of the tokens. Now the Staking Hubs, because of all the regulations, they were removed out of the European Union because of the MiCA regulations, and ULTRON Foundation now build the layer 1, they build the layer 0, and they are coming out with the software. I will not go into the presentation, I will not go in details, but this software, this super node can literally generate you 10 years passive income. How it will work? First, you will buy the super node, then you will buy the coins from the market, you will lock the coins, and these coins, this super node, based on the transactions that they are happening on top of the Akasha network, will generate you 10 years passive income. You will have two options. Either you buy the ULXs and you lock it, or you buy Akasha and you lock it. Every single day for the next 10 years, you will be able to get the passive income. I will not go in details. Once I have the green light from the legal team, we will give you all the latest news and updates, and of course the presentation. When we are speaking about the FinUp, Jenny, with all of you FinUp tools, we do not feel any pain. I mean, it's painful to watch when the market goes down and when we are losing money. But if you see the bigger picture, if we all know that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will reach new all-time highs in the upcoming months and in the upcoming years. If you are here for the long term, then yes, we don't need to worry for anything. I need to be honest. Great. Joseph, hi. Yes, of course. Doug, welcome on today's call. Hada, welcome. Victor, hi, Victor. Great to see you. Hi, Maria. Incredible call yesterday. Thank you very much. Yesterday on the call, we had the CTO of the FlipMe and the guy who is putting all the dots for the FlipMe team. We had almost 1,000 people on the call. Everyone is excited for the FlipMe, and I can't wait when the FlipMe comes out with all the integrated Bitcoin Blend, Alchemy, and also the third provider. We believe in Marvi. Jenny, thank you very much for such a nice words. I'm a millionaire with the FlipMe. Javier, first of all, there is a huge potential for the FlipMe, definitely. Why? Because the banking sector, the cards, we are using it on a daily basis. When we are speaking about the FlipMe, we are speaking about banking, we are speaking about crypto, and we are speaking about multiple providers inside of the FlipMe. This is amazing news for all the Bigwhale package holders and for all the payment hub holders. Will millions come day one? The answer is no. Why? When we distributed 20,000 cards, this is day one. Now, the moment that the first transactions will happen, this will start to be a stream of income for all the Bigwhale package holders and for all the payment hub holders. Now, when the number of the customers from 20,000 goes to 50,000, and from 50,000 goes to 100,000, and from 100,000 to 1 million, at that time, we have the next, I can easily say, company that is gonna be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. It will generate millions and millions of dollars of transaction fees, and we all know that part of the transaction fees will go to all the Bigwhale package holders and to all the payment hub holders. So if you ask me if I'm excited, yes, I'm excited. It's gonna be a long journey, but we have an option to be at the beginning of the new global technology giant. It started because of you. We appreciate it, and you will get a portion out of every transaction. Let's go on. Lazar, welcome on today's call. Hello, Abel. Very excited to see the FlipMe launch in a few days. I couldn't agree more. AK today, it's up. Yes, it's up. And so far, I checked yesterday's how many wallets. 59,000 and something wallets. It's already generated, and we have not even started. So ULTRON, it's out. Yes, the price is 1 cent, 1.52 cents. But once again, the super nodes, and when the buy pressure happens, and when the partnerships happens, and let's not forget, ULTRON is on the market 2.5 years. We will see the real power of ULTRON layer 1 and layer 0 after 5, 6, 7, 10 years. Once you have a community, once you have a committed community, at that time, we will see how powerful we are gonna be on a global scale. The FlipMe recording is posted. Yes, Doug, it's posted, and you can watch it for the next 48 hours. Jorge, welcome. Hello, Guy. Paul, Hada, welcome. Rosa, she bought the AK111. I have a few thousand. Benny is happy. Doug is happy. Why do the price of the ULX dropped again? So when we are speaking about the ULX, we can literally compare it with the normal crypto market. Once people buy the ULX at 1 cent and at 2 cents and at 5 cents, if you remember 1 year ago when the price was at 5 cents, 10 cents, and 50 cents, people start to cash out the profits. And when the charts start to go down, people are cashing out even more. Why? Because they are moving money into the other cryptocurrencies. But probably you have noticed that other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, such as Solana, such as BNB, they have ups and downs. Bitcoin 3 weeks ago, it was 110,000. Now it's 80,000. BNB was 800, now it's 500. VIV, how many of you knows VIV? Right? Send me some rockets, send me some hearts, send me some reaction if you know the cryptocurrency name VIV. One of the biggest meme coin on the planet, ladies and gentlemen. The price 2-3 months ago, it was almost $4. What's the price today? It's 50 cents. So these are the cycles that they are happening. When something is in a momentum, it goes up, but sooner or later it comes to the selling point, people start to cashing out the profits and the price goes down. So if you have a strong community behind, sooner or later the cryptocurrencies get the momentum back, and at that time the new all-time highs can happen. Is the cryptocurrency world volatile? It is super volatile. If you don't have the nerves, put your money at the bank, buy some stocks and something like this. But once again, not a financial advice. Some part of your income, of course, you need to have involved in the cryptocurrencies. Why? Because we all know that the blockchain technology, Bitcoin, and that kind of things are definitely the future. When we will see the price of ULX going up again, once the currency hits the bottom, then at the time, for example, 1 cent, 1.5, 2 cents, I believe, once again, not a financial advice, it's a great buying opportunity. And when community is getting bigger and the utility is getting bigger for the ULX, at that time, also the price will go up. Why is the launch of the FlipMe delayed? Here is iPhone Uživetela David. Unfortunately, why you were not on the call yesterday? You still have the recordings inside of the FlipMe social media channel. Let me give you just a few words on this question. First of all, regulations, MiCA 1, MiCA 2, MiCA 3, constant changes, constant upgrades, and the integrations. When we are speaking about the banking sector, we are speaking about the most regulative market on the market. And when you combine the banking sector with the crypto sector, at that time you have something that you need to be aware 24/7. And when these two markets come together, you need to be on time. You need to be based on all the regulations, fully compliant. Otherwise, you can be easily shut down. There is an old saying, I don't know how is in your country, better to be safe than sorry. Now, after 1.5 years, we are ready. FlipMe team is ready in order to launch their application. Maria, welcome. Standa is excited. Vitaly is amazing. Of course, Vitaly is amazing. That's why we are having him, and we really appreciate his hard work. Tito is in Thailand. Enjoy Thailand. It's very, very late there. It's 10 p.m. Dubai time. It's Thailand. It's even more. It's midnight, or it's even more. Let's go on. Any other question? Mr. Trejo, welcome. Alexander, welcome. I wish to be there. With Vitaly. Yeah, Vitaly. We will give you, of course, we will give you insights. How it's gonna be, Vitaly. Wait till 20 seconds. I already believe it's gonna be amazing. Okay, Vitaly Dubinin. Hola, can I be the FlipMe customer? I'm in Mavi, Bigwhale customer from Southern Chile. Yes, Mary Rose. Mavi, the card for the FlipMe is in the Mavi Global back office. You can start with a card from $100. It's a virtual card and it's gonna be launched in a few days. Okay, Leonida, this I don't understand. Magnifica presentation. Vital, it's not a good teacher, it's the best teacher. Thank you very much. I have ULX staked on the FlipMe beta app for months. I withdrew 12,500 ULXs on 28th of February and it didn't show up. Please write to the support team. They will help you in order to solve your challenge. Vitaly seminars live stream. Vitaly, there is one great idea. Maybe you can live stream it and maybe you can sell some online tickets. Why not? Why not? Of course, the price needs to be discounted for our Mavi Global members. And why not? Vitaly, I think this is a great idea. Maybe we can stream this, your amazing training. Financial freedom blueprint. Does the Revolution already works for the hotels? Jenny, the answer is no, but the guys are launching it, I believe, in April. In April, if you have a lifetime subscription, you can get, now listen to me carefully, you can get, with the lifetime subscription, you're getting 10% direct bonus for all the applications that you will recommend, and you can earn the commission. The second thing is you can qualify for the free first Travolution trip in Bratislava, 2 nights at the hotel, all the training with the team, enjoying the event with Alfred, and with the bundles, you can save up to 400 USDT per every bundle. So once again, the team already announced that literally every single month, the new updates and upgrades are happening. The Travolution team did a phenomenal job. Is starting. How long will the Bigwhale package be sold? Very, very good question. This decision was not yet made, but once we have it, we will let you know. A few millions of the Bigwhale points is still available, but we will see how we will do this transition with new product from ULTRON Foundation that it's called the Supernotes. Will we start to see some upwards treasury for the ULTRON token? It can be surprised for some time. The prices are going up and down into the crypto. I believe that the green candles for the ULX are coming. Once again, my personal opinion, and once again, not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Financial freedom for everyone. I agree. Mansa Jamal, welcome. We didn't speak for a while. We need to connect SAA. When we are going to be able to move NFTs soon, once again, the ULTRON team already did everything. Hi, when will the exclusive Platinum 1 be activated? Please write to Gabriela, write to the support. I believe based on your name, Mr. Miklos, köszönöm szépen, Gabriela Brutalish support agent, she will take care of you 100%. On the back office, we can see staking on the bottom claim. If we should push it for the ULX, can I explain for you? I don't understand the question. I'm really sorry, Anat. But once again, we are having the best support agents in order to solve all your problems. Thank you, dear Doman, Jenny. My pleasure. If I have time, I love to join. But once again, our ecosystem is big. That's why sometimes I have a bit of lack of time. I apologize. We need to learn how to NFT self-custody. Don't worry, not te preocupes. Everything, Roberto, everything is gonna be done on a safe way, but you need to remember, once it's in your hands, it's your responsibility. Will it be possible to link cards from Mavi to the FinApp application? The answer is it possible to link cards from Mavi to the FinApp application? Yes, it's gonna be possible. So once you will earn the commission with the Mavi Global, you will be able to withdraw it straight to your FlipMe card. You will be able to use the FlipMe card and you will be able to buy the products. If you are excited, yes, I'm excited. This FlipMe is the missing part. This is the part that we are waiting for, and it will make our lives way more easier. But as I'm repeating on all the calls that I'm having it, the first transaction, the first commission, it's for your wife and it's for your family. Don't forget. But I'm asking about my USDT balance from the back office to MetaMask. The answer is yes, Vivi, you will be able to withdraw your USDTs from the back office straight either to MetaMask or to the FlipMe card. Hello from UK, Terry. Hi from UK. Mansa, Jamal, Doman, with the Bigwhale, how long will this be available? Not long. It's not gonna be long. For how long, we will see. Roberto Bianco, thank you, always being present and committed to the entire Mavi community. I know that from time to time we have some challenges, ups and downs. It's a real business, but we are getting stronger and we are getting bigger. Once again, we are very, very strong in Asia, Europe, and Latin America. And expect unexpected. I will say only this. ULX NFT swap to the Supernode. Sunny, the answer is for now no. Once we will go over the presentation, you will not adore it. You will love it. You will love it. I promise you. ULTRON Foundation team did a phenomenal job. Hola. Okay, this is English. How many packages of the bigger we have left? A few of them left, and that's it. Okay, Fu Fiat, love vodka, but I had so could drop vodka with another product or promotion again. Once again, vodka airdrop didn't happen yet. Why? Because of the current market situation. When people are losing money at that time, ladies and gentlemen, people are not willing to invest. That's why the team has decided a little bit to postpone it. Once they launch it, of course, we will inform the entire team. And even more important, if you have the Bigwhale package, you will get a certain allocation of vodka. Why can't we buy the subscription back office using the royalty point? Why we can buy the subscription back office using loyalty point based on the general terms and conditions are only for the Bigwhale. This is the decision from the team. It's not my decision. So buy the Bigwhale package until it's still available. When we'll be able to use the Trevolution with the entirety, well, all these be options. When we are speaking about the Trevolution, the hotels are next where it's coming. I know that 15,000 cities are coming. Once again, don't worry. The Trevolution is the next billion-dollar company. All the added features are coming in the upcoming weeks and in the upcoming months. Don't worry. The promotions are out. Take all the promotions with maximum effort. Start to build. The people that they are building now, 1 year from now, they will completely change their financial future. Yeah, this is my simplest answer that I can give it to you. What is the difference between layer 0, layer 1, and layer 2? The easiest Dave coin, the easiest explanation, if we put it in a perspective, layer 0 are the floors. Layer 1, it's a table. And my laptop that I'm holding it in my hand, it's layer 2. So layer 2 is built on layer 1 in order to help the transactions, in order to have faster transactions than on layer 1, but layer 0 is connecting everything. Yeah, this is by far the simplest explanation that I can give it to you. Some questions from the accordings to the Bigwhale. As we had the crypto market, of course, the FinApp is still amazing. What everyone can accept. Once again, this is the question from Kramer. Get some questions from the team according to this. We had the best. Okay, yes. The crypto market, it's not the best. Do we all agree? If you agree that the crypto market is not the best, type 777 in the chat. Now, the stream of income for the FinApp and for the Bigwhale package holders is generating profit inside of the FinApp. Now, the profit for now, it's not generated. So the FinApp cannot contribute right now for the payouts. This is obvious. But I have a good news. The next company that is gonna be launched, it's the FlipMe. So when FlipMe is launched, the second company will start to contribute to the Bigwhale payouts. And I have even better news. Lottoday signed the partnership with the EarnBet. EarnBet is right now doing the integration with the Lottoday and with Mavi. So there are going to be 3 companies that in the future will contribute for all the payouts. So the answer, my dear Heinalka, is several companies will contribute for all the future payouts. Que paso? Todo bien? Excelente, 372. Still people on this call. I'm answering you as much as I can to all of the questions. I know we are a little bit short with time. Let's go last 5 minutes. Let's go. If you are for the last 5 minutes, then I have another call once again. But I'm willing to help you guys. What's the price for the super notes? Okay, I can reveal this. Paul, the super note, it can already start with $50. And this node, this software for $50, you can fill up to $250 worth of ULXs or Akasha. So it starts with $50 and times 5 you can put inside of it. And tomorrow, once you fill it, you can already start to enjoy 10 years passive income. The next price for the supernode is $250. How much you can put in? $1,250 worth of ULXs or Akasha. So it's always times 5. There are, of course, also bigger nodes with bigger percentages. But once again, Supernode, it's the product that it's also running on Solana. It's also running on other proof-of-stake networks. And if you ask me where does the money come from, the answer is from all the transaction fees that they are happening on top of Akasha network. No more. Otherwise, I will need to go over the presentation and we don't have time. Okay, I wait for 2 months to buy one to get one for the Revolution. Once again, Lendert Schade, please contact Gabriela. Please contact Gabriela in order to answer to all of the questions. You will get everything. You don't need to worry. How you can buy AK111 on a base chain or on ULTRON swap. I don't really understand the application. Please help me. I don't really understand all those explanations. Please help me out. I don't want to lose out. Once again, if you have any kind of questions, please write to the support team. They will help you with all the answers that you are interested in. Where can we hear and see this webinar again? Please, Mary Rose, the team will put the link tomorrow into the Mavi Global social media channel so you can repeat it and you will get all the questions. Okay, my dear community, I have another call. Any updates on Lotto Day platform yet? Ula, the last answer is Lotto Day is partnering up with EarnBet. The integration is doing right now. More information I will reveal on Monday's call, 9 p.m. Dubai time, 6 p.m. Central European time. So what I can say, my dear Mavi community, thank you very much, Vitaly, for inviting me on this call. Thank you very much for all the questions. I promise you that I will join more calls in the future and I will try to help you to clarify even more answers. Until then, I wish you a great day, I wish you a great week, and see you on all the next calls. Goodbye from Dubai.